My lady, what do you want to eat? I just want chicken joy. Okay, babe, you will have chicken joy. Please, service. What do you want, sir and madam? Dali na. Pwede ba chicken joy o drinks, duha ka buok, tapos kanang expensive na meat? What the fuck? Kiligin? Pang! Sorry, babe. Nara inyong food. Thank you. Babe, ang sarap mo.